The machine roars fiercely when a problem occurs, trees crash down, and the sound of operating equipment echoes throughout the forest. Prepare yourself to witness the dramatic and close-up process of logging. It's time to begin. Machines have no soul, but under the control of a professional operator, the forwarder seemed to carry life, step by step, through the mud in a powerful way. This is a fascinating scene. The Husqvarna 572XP and Stihl MS 462C enter a dramatic competition. Both possess impressive woodcutting power, making the confrontation more intense than ever. Which machine do you think will prevail?
Nem tudom, sokan azt mondják, hogy a sima.
The Mork 223 is a powerful wood chipping machine. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a strong engine, the Mork 223 rips through tree trunks with ease, turning them into small wood chips in no time. With its ability to operate continuously, it processes wood non-stop while maintaining stable speed and performance. Let's follow the showdown between professional woodcutters. The strength of man, combined with monster machines, delivers precise cuts at incredible speed. Perfect coordination between human and machine is the key to victory. Who will come out on top? Stay tuned. Transporting wood on roads like these is no easy task. Every section poses a challenge, requiring the driver to stay highly focused and handle each situation with precision. What's more, the towing equipment must be powerful enough to conquer the rough terrain. Otherwise, progress becomes nearly impossible. On this demanding route, skill, strength, and courage are absolute musts. Only seasoned drivers can deliver each log safely to its destination. The Axor 60 is not only a conventional wood crusher, but also a production optimization solution. With its powerful power, the machine can quickly process large logs, producing fine chips with high precision. In addition, Axor 60 applies advanced technology, bringing stable performance, reducing raw material loss, and optimizing the production process. With the ability to convert wood into a useful material, this is a comprehensive solution for the modern forestry industry. Hopefully, this is a memorable lesson for him. Observe how the worker is trying to take down the large trunk. With absolute concentration, he performs each operation meticulously, carefully calculating each angle. This is a clear image of a tree cutter with a strong will. When it comes to removing a tree stump, relying solely on the sheer power of the bus is not easy. However, with enough traction and the right technique, it is entirely possible. The PT600 is a giant beast in the world of wood crushing. With its impressive strength, it can handle every trunk in the blink of an eye. This is the ideal machine to help workers save a lot of time and effort. Using horses to transport wood is the perfect alternative when there is no machinery. Thanks to its flexible movement, the horse can move through any terrain without obstacles. This method also helps workers save a lot of time and effort. It seems they did not calculate the load capacity of the bridge. It is unfortunate that this incident happened. Katu's 951XC and C164 are revolutionizing the forestry industry. Each machine has its own strengths. While the 951XC stands out for its flexible movement on all terrains, the C164 impresses with its ability to cut wood accurately. The combination of these two machines not only maximizes logging efficiency, but also reduces waste of resources. His handling technique is impressive. With his virtuosity and steely spirit, he masters the situation with ease. Apparently, no challenge can make it difficult for him. This is a machine with extremely powerful wood-cutting capabilities. With a sharp saw blade, it can handle any log in just a short time. In addition, its simple design helps workers save significantly on fuel costs. The way the worker controls the wood saw is like a professional sculptor. With high expertise and extensive experience, each cut is precise and delicate. Besides, his courage and bravery made the performance even more impressive. This is the perfect image of a professional craftsman possessing skillful woodcutting techniques. Climbing a hill with a timber truck is always a challenge that requires skill and experience. However, with a steady steering wheel, the driver controlled the car to overcome obstacles easily. This skill and bravery is the mark of a professional driver, always ready to face all challenges on the road. Timpro 380D, a machine that delivers incredible performance. With its advanced motor, it can process the trunk into small logs in a moment. In addition, the compact design makes it move flexibly on all terrains. This is definitely the ideal solution for those looking for an effective support tool for logging. The chainsaw is no longer just a wood-cutting tool, but has been upgraded into a versatile wood-sawing device. With just a few adjustments, it has become a powerful assistant in many fields, from logging to processing and machining. Pulling 19.3 cubic meters of wood up the slope is not easy. However, this K-Mox F175 machine has done just that. It's a machine of incredible power. The Ficon FTX 150 is considered the dominant player in the world of wood crushing. With its sturdy steel frame construction, it crushes every sturdy wood trunk with ease. In addition, the flexible control system helps it perform precise operations. This is a machine that works with optimal performance, can conquer any challenge. The worker is controlling the wood saw as gracefully as a sculptor. Every operation is performed by him precisely, ensuring that the logs are cut out with a perfect cut. This is a wood sawing technique that only professional workers possess. You may not believe it, but this LKT-81 machine is pulling up to 20 cubic meters of wood. Watching it in action, you will clearly see its endurance, strength, and ability to conquer any challenge. So in your opinion, does LKT-81 deserve to be the most powerful machine? Uprooting the stump by hand is a difficult thing to do. Therefore, this guy sought the help of the Toyota Hilux. Under the aid of the machine, the stump is removed easily. Transporting large volumes of timber downhill is not a simple task. However, this LKT machine can do it easily. Despite facing obstacles, it still pulls dozens of wooden blocks down the slope in just a few minutes. This is the most suitable equipment for relocating heavy logs in rugged terrain. Miser WM1000, a powerful device in the world of sawing. With the ability to handle large diameter logs, it meets the needs of large-scale woodcutting. In addition, the machine has a sturdy structure and advanced technology, which helps each cut reach the highest accuracy. With this power, even the hardest logs are sawn into perfect planks in the blink of an eye. The 1973 Kenworth lumber truck is a symbol of strength and endurance over time. Even though it has gone through many years, it still operates steadily, exuding a powerful nostalgic look. It is that persistence that proves the quality of traditional craftsmanship. Pulling wood over rough terrain is always a challenge, and the LKT-81 has proven its superiority. Thanks to its dedicated design and flexible operation, this machine easily handles large blocks of wood without obstacles. If you need powerful equipment for logging and transporting timber, LKT-81 is definitely an option worth considering. With the ground condition like this, I believe that cutting down trees is the right decision. If it is not cut down in time, it may become an unpredictable danger in the future. LKT-82 is an effective support machine for workers in logging work. It is not only capable of unloading wood, but also can integrate wood transportation on rugged terrains. In addition, the modern design helps it operate with maximum productivity. With these advantages, LKT-82 deserves to be the first choice in the forestry industry. You see? They cut down trees without protective equipment. If the tree falls unexpectedly, they are hardly able to deal with it in time. Driving a timber truck over a steep slope is always a challenge for drivers. However, this driver calmly handled the situation simply and quickly. It is thanks to this skill that he has affirmed the class of a professional driver. This Unimog U 2100 is like a steel warrior, ready to face any challenge. No matter how difficult the terrain was, it still crossed with great force. This is really the most impressive truck I've ever seen. When cutting down trees, you must always ensure safety in case the trees fall. But to him, it seems that he has forgotten to do it. Fortunately, no accidents happen. The slippery road surface creates a significant challenge for the transportation process. However, the driver still skillfully controlled the timber truck, maintaining stability despite the rugged terrain. This is a testament to driving skills that only experienced drivers can achieve. The AHWI M6500 is a specialized device that helps remove tree stumps quickly. Equipped with a large-sized, sharp blade, the machine can crush tree stumps in a matter of seconds. In addition, the solid wheel system allows the machine to operate smoothly on all terrains. Thanks to these outstanding advantages, the AHWI M6500 has become an indispensable piece of equipment in the forestry industry.